Thank you for your interest in Abington School District's proposed plan to build a new middle school. This presentation will provide an overview of the proposed plan, the process the district used to make the decision, the plan's cost and tax impact, and the May 20th bond referendum. At Abington Middle School, tomorrow starts today. Our dedicated teachers and staff empower every student to achieve their full potential. Learning and teaching in a modern, safe, and welcoming environment is essential to quality education and positive school culture. The district is committed to ensuring school facilities support quality education and adapt to future needs. The Abington Middle School building has served the community for over 60 years. As the building has aged, the challenges of maintaining it and enhancing student learning experiences have increased. Outdated infrastructure and a poor layout create more obstacles to supporting modern teaching methods and collaborative learning environments. In developing the proposed plan to build a new middle school, the district conducted a multi-year planning process to assess its needs. This included facility assessments, operational and financial considerations, and community input. This process helped the district understand the needs of the building, set priorities, and evaluate options. During the process, the district created a website, oneasd1future.org, to provide regular updates to the community. This included options the district reviewed before selecting a final plan and a tax calculator to help district residents estimate their individual tax impact for the cost of building a new middle school. Based on the extensive facilities planning and community input process, the district is proposing to build a new middle school. Parents and guardians, teachers and staff, students, and district residents who provided input into the planning process believe that a new middle school is the best option for Abington School District. The proposed plan meets the needs of students, teachers, and staff, reflects our community's priorities, and provides long-term value. The challenges facing the middle school range from building layout and aging infrastructure to opportunities to improve the student experience and security and safety. The current building was not designed to serve as a middle school. It has been retrofitted numerous times to keep pace with growing enrollment, modern teaching methods, and students' evolving needs. Some challenges include accessibility issues, classrooms that lack flexibility for instructional purposes and have outdated furnishings, a lack of natural light in classrooms and outdoor space for lunch periods and activities, and insufficient common areas and collaboration spaces. There are opportunities to strengthen safety and security, including blind spots in hallways and stairwells. The building has aging heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, outdated plumbing and electrical systems, and aging roofs, walls, flooring, and ceiling tiles. There are crowded hallways and common areas, undersized and outdated gyms and performing arts spaces, and traffic congestion during student drop-off and pickup times. The proposed plan for a new middle school is designed to be student-focused and future-ready. Building a new middle school will provide a modern learning environment that meets today's needs and prepares students for the future. Some of the key benefits include providing a small school community with grade-specific areas to support personalized learning and a sense of belonging, creating future-ready spaces that can adapt to evolving educational programs and enrollment, creating collaborative areas to provide more common spaces for group learning and activities, increasing natural light in classrooms to provide a more welcoming learning environment, ensuring ADA-compliant design to provide an equitable experience for all students, enhancing air quality with improved airflow and ventilation. Additional benefits include providing modern security with state-of-the-art safety features, improving visibility with wider hallways and stairwells for smoother student traffic flow and monitoring, enhancing traffic management through improved student pickup and drop-off areas, providing sufficient upgraded space for gyms, athletics, and performing arts spaces, providing access to the outdoors for student lunch and activities, improving energy efficiency through sustainable systems that reduce energy consumption and costs. The construction plan for building a new middle school would also minimize disruption for teaching and learning, as students will remain in the current middle school until the new one is completed. The Board of School Directors has proposed to build a new middle school. Abington Township and Borough of Rockledge residents will now decide whether that plan moves forward. On May 20th, district residents will vote on a $285 million bond referendum to build a new middle school. If the referendum is approved by a majority vote, the estimated tax impact on a median homestead with a current implied market value of $387,402 would be $54 per month. The earliest the tax impact would incrementally go into effect would be July of 2026. The tax impact estimate is based on assumptions which, along with a tax calculator tool, can be found on the cost page at 1ASD1future.org. You can use the tax calculator on that page to estimate your individual tax impact. So, why is the district proposing a referendum to build a new middle school? Voter-approved funding is an essential way for Pennsylvania school districts to make significant investments in education, facilities, and operations without hindering routine school operations and day-to-day student needs. Also, a majority of residents who engaged with the district in the planning process said that the community should have the opportunity to vote on a plan through a referendum. By seeking a referendum, voters in Abington Township and the Borough of Rockledge have a direct voice in decisions that impact public education and local tax rates. District residents will have a choice to make on May 20th on whether to build a new middle school. If voters approve the plan, the district would begin the design process for the new middle school, which would take about a year and include opportunities for community input. Project bidding and permitting would be expected to take place in fall of 2026 into early 2027. Construction would start in early 2027. A move-in date would be based on construction progress, but could be as early as the start of the 29-2030 school year. If voters reject the plan, the district will not be able to move forward with building a new middle school. Repairs and upgrades in the current middle school would be evaluated on a year-to-year basis. Ongoing maintenance will be managed within the current annual budget, likely delaying regular maintenance investments in other schools. Our community helped shape this plan, and voters in Abington Township and the Borough of Rockledge will decide whether it moves forward when they cast their ballot on the referendum. Election Day is Tuesday, May 20th. Mail-in ballots must be requested no later than Tuesday, May 13th and received by Tuesday, May 20th. You must register to vote by Monday, May 5th. Only voters who are registered in Abington Township or the Borough of Rockledge will have the referendum included on their ballot. For more information on voting, you can visit 1ASD1future.org/vote. For more information on the proposed plan for Abington Middle School and the May 20th referendum, visit 1ASD1future.org. You can also submit a question or comment using the Connect form that is found on this website. Thank you.